Welcome back. On this video, we are talking about what we're expecting on your favorite Star Life series this September. You guys, a lot of drama is actually going on that you don't need to miss. But however, before it's shown on TV, we are here to recap it for you to know what happens exactly on the TV before it is shown, which is definitely spoilers. So if you're a spoiler person and you enjoy watching spoilers, then stick around to this video because this covers a lot of episodes. And also, I think I'll be posting this on August. So also, if you are interested to see August spoilers, check out my channel and watch them as well because they're also posted there. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. And the drama even get more intense and heated this September. Let us jump straight into the video of today without wasting any of your time.
1st September 2026, Episode 558. Will Mehak tell the truth? Aarti publicly admits that Anjali is innocent, earning Raghav's support. Meanwhile, Anjali urges Mehak to expose the illegal trafficking network to the media. 2nd September 2026, Episode 559. Kavya's deadly plot. Kavya joins forces with Yuvraj to secretly plan Mehak's murder and make it look like a natural death. At the same time, Raghav sincerely apologizes to Anjali for doubting her. 3rd September 2026, Episode 560. A key witness is threatened. With Raghav standing by her side, Anjali prepares to expose the trafficking racket in court. However, Jenny threatens an important witness, putting the entire case at risk. 4th September 2026, Episode 561. Deepika refuses to stay silent. Damodar orders an attack on Deepika to hide his crimes, but Anjali rescues her in time. Determined to fight back, Deepika vows to expose the trafficking syndicate. 5th September 2026, Episode 562. Raghav's secret arrangement. Raghav secretly reunites Ved and Aarti, leading to a romantic dance between them. Meanwhile, Anjali remains unaware that dangerous enemies are still targeting her. 6th September 2026, Episode 563. Anjali confronts Yuvraj. Ignoring Mehak's pleas, Anjali slaps Yuvraj during a musical game before dragging him outside to expose both him and Kavya's criminal links. It's 7th September 2026, Episode 564. Anjali challenges Dharamraj. After Dharamraj publicly threatens her, Anjali slaps him in front of the media and boldly challenges him to face her in court. 8th September 2026, Episode 565. The murder is exposed. Deepika hands Anjali a video proving Prakash murdered her father. Anjali has him arrested and warns Dharamraj that his criminal empire is beginning to collapse. 9th September 2026, Episode 566. Jenny's dangerous trap. Anjali receives a desperate call from a woman asking for help, but Deepika warns her it's a trap carefully arranged by Jenny to eliminate her. 10th September 2026, Episode 567. Anjali turns the tables. Ved rescues Anjali from Jenny's trap, allowing Anjali to strike back with a cleverly staged operation that catches Jenny off guard and leads to her arrest. 11th September 2026, Episode 568. Advocate versus Politician. Following Jenny's arrest, Anjali announces that she'll contest the upcoming election against Dharamraj. Ved warns him that underestimating Anjali will have serious consequences. 12th September 2026, Episode 569. Anjali races to save Ganesh. When Ganesh's life is in danger, Anjali rushes him to the hospital in an auto rickshaw after confronting Dharamraj. Raghav and Ved stand by her during the crisis. 10th September 2026, Episode 570. Anjali exposes hospital corruption. Anjali confronts corruption inside a hospital and takes action against the dishonest staff, while Dharamraj uses his influence to create even more obstacles for her. 14th September 2026, Episode 571. Another obstacle for Anjali. While trying to help the community, Anjali learns that Jenny has banned visitors from seeing Ganesh, creating another challenge in her fight for justice. 1100 per 2026, Episode 572. Anjali accepts the challenge. Jenny dares Anjali to defeat her in the upcoming election, but Anjali confidently accepts and refuses to be intimidated by any threats. It's a Member 2026 episode 573. Anjali refuses to back down. Yuvraj manipulates Mehak into asking Anjali to withdraw from the election, but Anjali fights off a group of attackers, proving she will not surrender. Yan September 4, 2026, episode 574, Anjali declares war. After intercepting Dharam Raj's phone call, Anjali openly challenges him and exposes his hospital scams during a live television broadcast. 18 September 2026, episode 575, Anjali faces Jenny. As Jenny clashes with Dharam Raj over Ganesh's treatment, Anjali steps in and confronts Jenny with the truth about her actions. 19 September 2026, episode 576, Jenny defies Dharam Raj. Jenny refuses to enter a marriage arranged for political convenience. Meanwhile, Anjali exposes Damodar's crimes, weakening Dharam Raj's influence. 20th September 2026, episode 577, Anjali survives another attack. After offering Jenny shelter under strict conditions, Anjali becomes the target of another violent attack following a powerful public speech. 21st September 2026, episode 578, Anjali's counterattack. Undeterred by the assault, Anjali prepares a risky plan involving a dead body, while Dharam Raj shifts his focus to promoting a new development project. 22nd September 2026, episode 579, Dharam Raj's hidden ally. Dharam Raj reveals that Jimmy has secretly been helping him all along. Despite this, Anjali continues gathering evidence against his corrupt hospital network. 23rd September 2026, episode 580, Anjali exposes the truth live. Anjali uncovers major corruption inside Dharam Raj's hospital and reveals the evidence during a live press conference. 24th September 2026, episode 581, Jenny's double game. Raghav and Abhay question Jenny's sudden change in behavior, unaware that she is secretly working with Dharam Raj to harm Anjali. 25th September 2026, episode 582, Jenny tries to poison Anjali. Jenny serves Anjali poison tea, but Anjali senses something is wrong and begins searching for the person behind the plot, as Abhay grows suspicious of Jenny. 26th September 2026, episode 583, A Dangerous Conspiracy. After Jenny disappears, Anjali and Ved raid Dharam Raj's hospital to expose his crimes, unaware that another threat is waiting much closer to home. 27 September 2026, episode 584, Ved speaks out. As Dharam Raj attempts to silence witnesses, Anjali uncovers more shocking secrets about the hospital, while Ved publicly exposes the truth, even as another plot against Anjali takes shape. 28 September 2026, episode 585, Abhay's secret mission. To gain Jenny's trust, Abhay unexpectedly proposes to her as part of Raghava's plan. However, Anjali refuses to support deceiving Jenny for evidence. 29 September 2026, episode 586, A Murder Plot Fails. Raghav asks Anjali to return to the Rajput house after Vidyut is caught trying to kill Deepak. Meanwhile, Abhay secretly searches Jenny's room for evidence. 30th September 2026, episode 587, Damodar turns on Jenny. Damodar threatens to kill Jenny for betraying him, causing cracks in their alliance, while Anjali remains focused on defeating Dharam Raj in the election.